What's cracking, everybody? It's your boy King Fresh. We're out here live from Houston, Texas. It's been a wild time. If you're new to the channel, don't forget to like and subscribe and become a part of the Cave Game Movement. Let's go. Alright, so this video is a continuation video from the video that I posted 4 days ago. And this part, the BMW catches on fire, and we have the cars that are getting impounded. I think it was like 20 or 30, not sure.
We got the Mustang out here finally. Okay. What is that? Oh. Hey, the construction workers are getting a free fucking show. When you put 20s on a Mustang. God damn. So we're legit on the intersection right now, so they're literally just putting on a show right here in the intersection. I'm having a great time. Hey, what's cracking? What's cracking? More fireworks coming in right now. A Mustang going at it right now. We got the Sentra gone wild. The Sentra's going at it. Hard. I'm gonna put my Sentra. Hey, got that shit out. People don't want the Sentra in here. You like the Sentra? Fuck yeah! Yes, he likes the Sentra. By a little bit. One time. Everybody's living their best lives out here. Hey, you're living your best life? Hell that's yeah. Right, that's right. Alright, show me what's up almost at one time.
Daddy?
Oh, te paso de verga, güey, no? You gotta swing here, bro, for the one time. Oh, what's up, play? What's up? What's up, play? What's up, man? What's up? You're gonna scare everybody with the cops on? Or let me see, but over there's some more. Nobody got scared for you, bitch. Not even them, bro.
Why are you running? I'm running.
Track star. Oh! Hey, get up. Cops, pull up. I'm taking the codes. Save the code. Alright, so we're dipping right now. 4 more cops are coming over there. 2 more cops joined the units over here. The construction workers are getting their cones back.
No, they weren't tripping.
People actually got their cones to do donuts. There's the cops right there. I'll wait till the next spot, guys. See you there. We're legit out here in Cerritos Mall. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 cars burning out fireworks. From now on, when I come to Cerritos Mall, I will always remember the skid marks and what's happening right now, right here. Everybody's going wild out here. Oh my God. I don't know what happened to his car, but the Cadillac literally just like broke down. It was making some weird ass noise. Damn, but low-key though, so many people out here right now having a great time. At Cerritos Mall, guys, they usually have like 5 to 6 securities. They ain't got nobody right now. I don't see no security anywhere whatsoever. It's all free for all up in this bitch. Hey, what were you doing anyways? Like, how did you catch a fire?
He was trying to swing it.
Aw, dude.
Hey, it wasn't me. I'm not gonna fucking die. That food left.
Hey, low key, if the firefighters come right now, they can save it, but I don't know if they're gonna come. Hey. How do you feel about this, sir?
Burn, baby, burn.
You want to let it burn?
This shit. You come out here and you do this shit. This is the price you gotta pay, homie.
In some cases, right?
What it comes down to. Hopefully you got good car insurance, homeboy.
So he basically tried to do some donuts. As you can see, he just did like a one-time around, and that thing just literally just caught on fire right now. As you can see it right here. It's gonna blow. No firefighters inside. The cops are just watching it burn. Security's coming, but pretty sure they can't do anything about it. Damn.
Listen to Big Daddy, security.
Crazy out here. Hey, the cops told security to leave?
Yeah, he said get over here, get away from me.
Cops told security to back it up, and there goes security. They gotta listen to the cops because they're just security. But this thing's gonna blow any second now. It happened like it happened at the Anaheim Plaza last year. That guy's taking a selfie right there. So the gas is leaking down there right now. Oh! Watch out, back up, back up! Hey, the hood's gonna go flying in your face, dude, trust me. This is Final Destination shit right here. Yeah, this is Final Destination type of shit right here. That hood's gonna, boom, just fly out, dude. Right now it's catching more on fire now. I actually got my distance because when it blows, it's gonna be big. I'm still surprised there's no firefighters up in here. Oh, here comes the firefighters. They might make it before it blows up.
Oh no, blow up.
People wanted to blow. Oh. Woo! Yeah, but they're not gonna do anything because there's a fire. Oh, damn. Hey, back it up, bro. People are cheering for the firefighters. Woo! The cars are honking like if Mexico won the game right now. Woo! Oh, she got the CDK sweater on. I say, okay. Oh! Damn! Chill. We got the firefighters for the win. Thank you, sir. And the firefighters just put it on like nothing.
Work. You see him hard at work? Oh no, I just lost all that. More money, baby. To live or die in this shit. This shit right here is a culture, homie. That's it. We do this shit for love. The love of it.
Hey, shout out to
Here's
my homie.
the man.
Thank you. Shout out to the homie Mo right here for getting me that inside view with the fire. No, better way. Damn, they're cutting up the hood right now. I guess to check the engine and to completely turn it off. This is behind the scenes. Look at all these tow trucks right here. They're
Went to
literally,
Denny's, so 24 hours.
they're literally hungry out here. The tow trucks, they ain't playing out here.
God, they're towing two at a time.
2 at a time. Damn.
I'm gonna go interview for
Yeah, handle it. Then that tow truck company is making bank out here right now.
The tow trucks are showing up left and right. You got tow trucks everywhere, cars everywhere. They got CHP out here. But you know, I could film them, it's all legal. But here we go, here's the lineup. We out here. You know, that's how we do it. About to put it down, I'm gonna ask some more questions. Let's see what happens. They're taking everyone's cars. How you guys feel about this?
Hey, fuck up, bro. Yeah, I gotta watch.
You know, we come out here to play, we gotta pay the price.
Yeah,
Right here, say shout out King Fresh, homie.
Shout out King Fresh,
This
bro.
is his YouTube channel right here. Check this shit out. It ain't even the local PD. It's a PHP that's doing all this bullshit. Look it. They are not playing. They're checking everything. This is a minivan on the tow truck.